So I hope you guys like the bike. It turned out pretty good. I might sell it. That's the bad news. Some people have asked me about it, if it's for sale or not. Took it to some meets and people liked it, so I might sell it to a friend of mine. I'm not sure yet how that's going to turn out, but I don't know what to show you guys. I just wanted to do a walk around and show you what I've done to it, really, because for whoever have seen the first video of this bike, it was completely awful. I changed the exhaust and all that kind of stuff, so but it wasn't a really hard project. So I hope you guys like this video. I know this is not the best camera in the world. I wanted to start it up and show you the exhaust sound, but as you know, like, if you don't have a really decent phone, or not phone but decent camera, the sound would, you know, it's not going to be worth listening to or starting it for you. So once again, here's the bike. I hope you guys like this video. It's just a very short video, but I just wanted to walk around and show you what I've done to it. That's about it. Maybe in the future, if I still have it, I'll do more videos of it, you know, me riding it and whatnot, but as of right now, this is what it's going to look like, and that's how it's going to be. If I do get to decide to sell it, I will get either a CBR 1000, 2008, 2007, or an R1, also the same year. I love the 1000 bikes. 1300s are a little bit too much. I've already rode in it. I feel comfortable enough to ride it, but I don't know, I just don't like, this is what I really don't like about it, the tail. I've already took a friend of mine on a ride, and she rode in a 600 RR CBR, and she prefers this one. It's more comfortable. I actually do too prefer this one. It's way more comfortable than the 600 or even the 1000 bikes, where the nose of it, or the tail, is pointing upwards. Well, but it depends on what you like. If you like more of a style, then you go with the, you know, the pointing tail. If you want more comfort, you go with this bike. But I've got these kind of mirrors, and they look like carbon fiber. It looks really nice. I got them for like 15 bucks, and it was a steal, to tell you the truth. But alright, I'll make this short video short and end it this way. I hope you guys liked it. Sorry about the quality, but you know, I'm not much of a video recorder, as you know, but I'm trying and I'm learning, and hopefully in the future it'll be better. Have a good one.